Hi, I'm Vaibhav and he's Samriddh.
Hello, sir.
This is to bring about Samriddh's interest towards coding. It all started in his school, Bharati Rohini, where Tinker Code started a campaign for different programming languages for kids, and it started with block coding. And I came to know about Jay, his coach, his tutor, and he has shown interest, and he has moved from basic block coding to real Python coding. He is improving tremendously well, and we get timely response and feedback from Jayesh, both positive and negative, and we work on it. And Jayesh has been in touch with us right from the beginning, and he not just one to one, but he develops. He is molding something. His approach towards the problem is really good, and I'm satisfied. I am coming from the IT background itself, so I'm very satisfied with Jayesh, and I hope he covers all his remaining course, Python course, with flying colors. And I'm grateful he is in great hands with Jayesh. Thank you, Jayesh. I'm really grateful to you. Cheers.
Thank you, sir. Bye.